Mike on 13, you said? Or Mike? Mike, you said. I am talking now. There we go. How's that working? Yeah?
Is there one right?
Is that good?
Do you have an FM voice?
What's that?
You have an FM voice.
Do I?
Yeah.
Come on down to Carl's Autumn Emporium where we will set you up with a brand new car. This is the amp for 13, I think. Yeah. Did I hear someone say Patrick? Yeah. Great.
First rule, nobody falling off the stage.
Yeah.
Is Bob trying to ruin all the fun?
I see you take that little half step sideways and I was like, oh God.
Hey Patrick,
Yes, sir.
Bob's not going to be running a monitor on his keys over to your side. So listen carefully for his keys because you won't hear him very loud over there.
Right.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Dagnabbit, you pesky wabbit.
Damn it, Jim. A stalker. On Brooklyn.
Second rule, no slicing off your thumb.
Oh, yeah. Yeah? Oh, yeah. Can you feel it?
Oh yes, I can feel it. Can't you see my pants are wet with them?
Nice.
That's why you had to have the smoke.
We got the plug.
Scotty, would you like to hear my vocals? Yeah, if I could hear more in the monitors, I'm kind of deaf. So the more I can hear my vocals in the monitors, the less I'll have to holler, and the more you can control me. Control me, Scotty, control me. Please, tie me up and make me do. Come on, give me that sexy bass thing. Here we go. Give me the pornography beat. Yeah, got that pornography beat working. I saw the pizza delivery man bringing pepperoni. The pepperoni. The pizza delivery man knocked on the door. He says, Hey, let me in, baby. I'm the pizza delivery man. I got your sausage. I got your cheese. I got it high on a pie. I'm not bringing it to your knees. I'm the pizza delivery man. I'm a pornographic icon. That's what I said.